Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by preparing your clip and applying Ultra Key now. Select the clip in the timeline and add the Ultra Key effect from the Effects panel. Once done, pick the eyedropper and sample the most uniform area of the background. This establishes the primary key color. Make sure to set output to composite so you see immediate result. You want a broad removal first, not perfection. This creates the foundation for refinements in the next stage. Once the base key is visible, refine the matte using the matte generation sliders. Start with transparency and tolerance to reveal subject details, then use shadow and highlight to recover dark or bright areas. Next, employ choke to tighten edges and soften to remove harsh halos. Adjust pedestal only if noise appears. Make sure to toggle spill suppression and pick a suppression amount that neutralizes tint without desaturating skin. You finish by inserting your new background and matching its scale, position, and color temperature to the foreground, so the composite reads as one scene. Use the Ultra Key's matte cleanup and secondary color correction to recover hair and semi-transparent areas, sampling those tones directly. If you still see artifacts or color fringes, render a short segment and adjust choke, soften, or spill suppression. Sometimes reshooting with improved lighting is the only way to eliminate stubborn edge problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.